Hello, and welcome to Innowera's Process Runner Help series. In this video, we will show the dynamic formula functionality of Process Runner, which allows data to be transformed at runtime before it's posted to SAP. Here in the iBook ribbon of Process Runner, we have our data for a VA01 transaction automation script. Some of the data is in a different format than what is accepted in our SAP system. For instance, our purchase order date is one string of numbers, and our order quantities contain a comma instead of a decimal. We need to use the dynamic formula functionality to transform this data to the appropriate format. To access dynamic formulas, let's click on the Mapper ribbon, make sure we have selected Advanced View, and at the top we have our dynamic formula column. We have the option to implement various dynamic formulas that can occur at the screen level, the call level, and the field level. Let's look at the dynamic formula options for the field level by clicking on the row with the order quantity. This video will cover the basic dynamic formulas, which include add leading zeros, decimal transformations, and date transformations. The remaining dynamic formulas will be covered in separate videos, as these are more advanced. The Add Leading Zeros option will append the appropriate number of leading zeros to the field value depending on the length of the field. The decimal transform options can be used to transform a decimal to a comma, or a comma to a decimal. Let's go ahead and select Decimal Transform Comma to Decimal to transform the commas to decimals for the order quantity field. Next, let's click on the row for the purchase order date. The next 12 options can be used for date transformation, as the date format may vary depending on the SAP environment. Let's go ahead and select Transform Year, Month, Date to Month, Date, Year to transform the format of the purchase order date in Excel. Now that we have our dynamic formulas configured, let's press the Run button, log into SAP, and watch the automation script run with the dynamic formulas. If we look at the sales order in SAP, we will see the commas have successfully been transformed to decimals for the order quantity field, and the dates have been successfully transformed for the purchase order date field. This concludes our explanation of basic dynamic formulas. Want to learn more about simplifying SAP with Innowera technologies? Visit us at innowera.com. Thank you for watching.